morning, everybody. We're going to make date squares this morning, and it's out of the Bisquick cookbook. This is an oldie but goodie. I've had it for many, many years. Now, showing you this book, I'm dating myself, but that's okay. We're going to use butter and sugar, egg, Bisquick, chopped nuts, cut up dates, and we're going to preheat the oven to 350. We're going to grease an 8x8 pan, which I have right here, and we're going to mix thoroughly the butter, the sugar. Then we're going to stir in the Bisquick, the nuts, and the dates. And then we're going to bake it at 25 minutes, and we're going to cool it for 1 hour. You can roll it in confectionery sugar, but I won't be doing that because I'm cutting all my sugar. So let's get started, and I'm going to make sure the oven's on, which I'm pretty sure it is, and I'll pan you down. Come join me. Okay, the oven is going, so we are going to put the butter in. I melted a little just to give it a little easier to work with. And then we're going to put the sugar in. And let's see, we are going to put the egg in. I'm just going to whisk it up just a little bit. Just like this. There you have it. And we're just going to mix it in like this. Just incorporate it all in. I have not eaten date squares for a very, very long time. Yeah, we just want to get this all so it's not grainy. Get it mixed in really good. One thing about this is the staples you have in your home, maybe not the dates, but it's everything you can just have in your pantry. I don't normally keep dates, but before all this virus started, I got a great supply of everything. Okay, now we're going to stir in some Bisquick. We're going to do just a little at a time. Just like this. Oh, this is coming up nice, working very nicely. Very nice. Almost looks a little dry, like maybe I'd like to add another egg because my egg wasn't that big. And let's see, we're going to add the dates and the nuts, and then we will be all done. So let me go see if I can rustle up some nuts here, and I'll be right back. Okay, I got some walnuts and I just smashed them up a little, and I added another egg because I thought it looked a little dry to me. You know me, I'm always adding a little twist. You never know. So then we're going to add the walnuts, just like this. And then we're going to add the cut up dates. And I bought the dates like this, all cut up, which was nice. Oh, this is real pretty batter. Gonna be good. So here's the batter right here. Doesn't that look good? And then we're gonna put it in the 8x8 pan. And I've sprayed the pan, and the oven just beeped. Get the pan here. Here's the 8x8 pan. Get this off here. Every little bit helps today. I'll tell you what I was craving. And no, I'm not pregnant. I'm craving pickles and I am craving strawberries. That's a heck of a mixture, but that's what I'm craving. Okay, here we are putting it in the pan. A baking dish just like this. And some folks had asked me about the banana pudding I made, the Yo Not Your Mama. Well, Ray ate most of it. I didn't have any more, and my son's wife said that they didn't need all the sugar because they had some dessert at home. So that was the end of that. So by the time Ray got done having his share, it's not even half left, so he'll finish that up. Let's get it all out here. Just like this. And we'll just smooth it out a bit. I'm just kind of curious. I haven't had date squares for a very long time. How much they'll rise, but we'll see. I don't think they'll rise much. There's really nothing in it to make them rise. But that batter sure does look good, I'll tell you that. There. Leave a comment down below if you like dates, and if so, what do you make with your dates? I'm just curious. I know I'd like to make a date cake. And there you have it right there before it goes in the oven. So I'll bring you back as soon as it gets done cooking. And that's going to be in the oven for 25 minutes at 350. We'll be back. Okay, folks, they're all done. They're right here. Don't they look yummy? Look at this. Yum, yum. They came out so good, these date bars. It's quite a bit, isn't it? And look how thick they come. They're thicker than what I thought. So we're going to give it a try with this one. I have a little itty bitty bite, maybe a little more than I need, but we're going to see how they taste. The texture's great. Just want to show you. Look at that. So here we go. Two thumbs up for that one. Okay, everybody, here's the date bars. Please give me thumbs up. Share my videos. Sub if you haven't, ring that bell. You never know what's going to be on my videos. Have a great day. God bless. Keep hope. Keep faith. And we'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.